Here's a walk around of our 71 Pinto drag car for sale. So we'll just start from the front, kind of work our way around. It has a good grille. It has a fiberglass bumper that is not painted to match, but it is the fiberglass bumper for it. It's got a fiberglass hood with a scoop on it. Fiberglass front fenders are on it. Steel doors here. You can see these doors have a little bit of rust in the corner on the passenger side. The driver's side is better, but it also comes with fiberglass doors. Let's go around the back. Body's in pretty good shape. The roof is good, except for there's a couple little dents here and a little bit of rust that needs to be fixed right there. Otherwise, it's really the only rust on this car. It also has a fiberglass deck lid. Battery box already in there, fuel cell already in there, shut-off switch already mounted, ready to go. Has a fuel pump with it and some, I'm sure, expired harnesses. You can see it's tubbed. Set this back down. In the back here, we've got another fiberglass rear bumper. That is painted to match, but you want to repaint it. And then it's got roll bars that are not attached, or wheelie bars, excuse me, that are not attached because I don't want to trip over them. If you see the fuel cell, it's got a strange 9-inch, 35 spline axles. I forget, I'll write down the gear ratio, it's I think it's 4/88, spooled. This side of the car, the Hoosiers are unused, but they're a few years old, so they're probably not as great as they should be. There's a little bit of rust right along here, but it's not really going through. It's just coming off the body. A little bit of the paint's coming off. It's an old paint job. Steel door. This door's in good shape. And then, of course, fiberglass front fenders. Front tires are in pretty good condition. No rust or any damage. There's a slight dent here on the roof, but other than that, that's fine. Inside, it's got roll bar, 6-point roll bar in there. It has a race seat already installed. It's got a vintage switch panel. I can get over that to it. Comes with a shifter. That's what they were using before. This car was originally set up. This car has been a race car a drag car since the late 70s or early 80s. It's just been a dedicated drag vehicle. And so the stuff that's been done to it, a lot of it's been around for a long time. Before I had it, it was a Chevy powered car, so it's already got plates and transmission mounts and everything. If somebody wanted to put a Chevy motor in it, the springs for the wheelie bars are there. And then I'm going to pull the hood off. So I'm going to have to, it's going to be a little bit tricky. Takes 2 hands. Set the hood. The hood's got foam on the bottom, so you can set it on top of the roof without doing any damage to it. And in the front here, it's got Wilwood master cylinder and brakes. Never been used. They would put on it right before I got it, and otherwise all cleared out and ready for the next motor. In the back here, I'll see if I can get down there and show you. There's ladder bar suspension. See the in there. All right. This also comes with, like I said, there's a set of fiberglass doors and that have never been used, and another fiberglass Pinto hood that's actually the full cowl hood. So it's not been used either, but you'd actually pull the cowl off so you can, set the motor back farther if you wanted, or have more access to the back part of the motor. So you can switch that out too. that's car.